Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, chapter 6th, that is decimals, and this is the symbol for decimal. Now, decimal is another way of representing fractions. For example, if I say I want to write 1 by 2, so I say it is half or it is 0.5 of the whole thing. So, this point is decimal. For example, if I take another number 0.46, so this is the decimal. Such numbers are known as decimal numbers. For example, temperature of human body, we take it 97.6 degree Fahrenheit. So again it is a decimal number. Dose of a medicine given to a child 3.5 ml. Again it is a decimal number. Now in decimal we have various terms. First is tens. Now what is tens? A fraction which is having denominator as 10. For example, 1 by 10. So this is 1/10, as we have done in the naming of the fractions. How we name the fractions? 1/10, 3/10, 4/10. Similarly, I have 1 by 10. So how I will write it? 0.1. 1 0 in the denominator. So it means one digit should be there after the decimal, and that digit is the numerator only. Next I have 2 by 10, so it will be written as 0.2. 4 by 10, it is written as 0.4. Next is hundreds. Fractions having the denominator 100 are called as hundreds. For example, 2 by 100, it is written as, now you can see 2 zeros in the denominator. So it means 2 digits after the decimal. 0.2 should be there, but I want only 2. I cannot write 20, 20, that is wrong. So it should be 0.02. I have to insert the 0 before 2. Similarly, if I have 1 by 100, it will be 0.01. 2 digits after the decimal. Next is thousands. Fractions having 1000 as the denominator are known as thousands. For example, 1 by 1000. So 3 digits, 3 zeros in the denominator, it means 3 digits after the decimal. So 0.001. 3 by 1000 means 0.003. Don't get confused with thousand and thousands, tens and tens, hundred and hundreds. Hundreds means 1 by 100 and 100 means simply 100, 100. Next is how we write mixed fractions as the decimals. If I have the fraction 3 1 by 10, so it means 3 plus 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means 0.1. So 3 plus 0.1, 3.1. Similarly, if I have the fraction 9 2 by 10, it means 9 plus 2 by 10, or you can say 9 plus 0.2, 9.2. How we draw the picture, or you can say pictorial representation of decimals. As we know, in case of fractions, if I have the fraction 2 by 10, what does this mean? 2 is the number of parts that I need, shaded portions, and 10 is the total number of parts. So in this rectangle I have 10 total number of portions, out of which 2 are shaded. So this is the meaning of this fraction, or you can say the decimal number. Next is representation of decimals in the place value chart. As we have done the place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000, but if we extend that place value chart in the decimal number system, now after the decimal number, first place is known as tens, second place hundreds, third place thousands. So if I have the number like this 7532416, now here the place value of 3 is 3 into 10, the place where it is 3 into 10. Place value of 7 is 7 into 1000. Place value of 1 is at the hundreds place, so it will be 1 into 1 by 100. Place value of 4 is 4 into 1 by 10. And the decimal number is 7532. Now you can see this is the first place after the decimal. So decimal will be inserted here, 0.416. One thing more is, when we read the decimal number, after the decimal you have to read single digit. Suppose if I have the number 3.25, you will not read it as 3.25. That is wrong. You have to read it as 3.25, single digit. Next is exercise 6.1, question number 1. Find the place value of the underlined digits 9851250, Now here we don't have a decimal, so it means we have to go like this, ones, tens, 100,000 like this. So 9 is at which place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros after 9. So it is 90 lakh. Next C part 24.325. Now the place value of 3. 3 is after decimal. First place after the decimal is tens. So it will be 3 into 1 by 10. That is 3 by 10, or you can say 3 tenths. F part 1232.760. Now 2 is to the left hand side of decimal. So it is ones, tens, 100,000 like this. So 2 is at the ones position. 2 into 1, 2. Next is write the decimal form of the following. A part 9 ones and 304,000. 9 ones means to the left of decimal, first position 9. After this we have decimal, 3 hundreds, 4 thousands, and where is tens? It means we don't have a 10, so I have to write a 0. 0 into 1 by 10 for the tens place, plus 3 into 100th place, 1 by 100, 4 into 1000 place, 4 into 1 by 1000. So it is 9.034. D part is 4 tens, 1, 1 and 2 tens. Now 4 tens means 4 into 10 plus 1, 1 means 1's position. We have the digit 1, 1 into 1, and 2 tens plus 2 into 1 by 10. Tenths means 1 by 10. So this is 4, 1.2, first digit after the decimal. Next C part 4,500, 2 tens and 2 tens, 300s. Now 4,000, it means 4 into 1000. 500 means 5 into 100. 2 tens means 2 into 10. And plus 2 tens means after decimal. So